Listen to that sound. That is not a soundtrack. That is the actual radio emission of Saturn screaming into the void. For centuries, we saw it as a jewel, the jewel of the solar system. A golden giant with a halo of light floating peacefully in the dark. We called it beautiful, but beauty is the ultimate trap. Saturn is not peaceful. It is a violent colossus. A ball of hydrogen and helium spinning so fast it flattens itself into the shape of a pumpkin. It is a world of impossible storms, and a gravity so cruel it rips entire moons apart just to decorate itself. Welcome. Let's start with the crown. From Earth, the rings look like solid, eternal bands of gold. But if you flew inside them, you'd find yourself in a grinder. They are not solid. They are a chaotic blizzard of sharp ice and rock, from grains of sand to mountain-sized boulders, orbiting at thousands of kilometers per hour. This storm of ice shrapnel stretches nearly 300,000 kilometers wide, yet is razor thin, in places only 10 meters thick. A blade slicing through the darkness. Where did this violence come from? A murder? The prevailing theory is that a moon the size of Titan wandered too close, crossing the Roche limit, the point of no return. Saturn's gravity ripped the crust from the core, shredding a living world into the trillions of icy fragments we now admire. The rings are not jewelry, they are the scattered guts of a dead moon, a planetary graveyard. But the strangeness goes deeper. Look at the North Pole. Nature doesn't make straight lines, yet here, spinning forever, is a perfect hexagon, a six-sided hurricane wide enough to swallow 4 Earths, its walls reaching hundreds of kilometers deep. At its center lies a red vortex that looks like a rose made of hurricanes, a geometric scar that has raged for decades, maybe centuries. And when Saturn gets angry, the entire planet changes. Every 30 Earth years, the Great White Spot awakens. A storm system so massive it wraps around the entire planet. Imagine a thunderstorm covering the whole Earth, flashing with lightning 10,000 times stronger than any we've seen. It's a reminder that beneath those calm bands lies a chaotic engine of heat waiting to explode. Saturn is king of more than 140 moons, and one is an imposter, Titan, the only moon with a thick atmosphere where air pressure is higher than on Earth. It has rivers, lakes, and rain clouds, a twisted, toxic reflection of home. The rain is liquid methane, natural gas, falling in slow motion. The temperature is minus 179 degrees Celsius. Jump into a lake, and you wouldn't just freeze, you'd shatter like glass. The dunes aren't sand, but dark, static-charged hydrocarbon grains, a world that mimics life but is built from the ingredients of death. Further out lies Enceladus, a small, bright ball of ice. We thought it was frozen rock until we saw the tiger stripes, long fractures bleeding into space. Giant geysers of water vapor shoot hundreds of kilometers high. Saturn's gravity needs this tiny moon, keeping its core warm. Beneath the ice lies a global ocean of warm, liquid water with salt and organic molecules. In the deep dark of Enceladus, something might be swimming. To learn these secrets, we made a sacrifice. In 2017, the Cassini spacecraft ran out of fuel. To protect pristine moons like Enceladus, NASA ordered it to commit suicide. On its final orbit, Cassini dove into the monster's atmosphere, fighting to transmit data until the very last second. The heat and pressure tore it apart. It melted, vaporized, and became part of the planet forever. Saturn feels eternal, but it is not. Even the rings are dying, pulled down by gravity as ring rain. In 100 million years, a blink in cosmic time, they will be gone. Saturn will be just another lonely gas giant in the dark, so look at it while you can. It is a temporary masterpiece of gravity and violence, a beautiful trap that lured us across the solar system, only to show us how small we really are. Saturn is the most beautiful thing in our sky, but remember, beauty can be deadly. Hit subscribe now, because on this channel, we explore everything you imagine.